I still gotta drive.
The drive's not that far. We barbecued some amazing chuck roast. Over 1 million views on the video. But with the latest discovery, I know I can do better. We've been cooking some amazing chuck roast, and there's a good reason for that, because chuck roast is affordable, the size for a family, and you can make some great barbecue flavors with it. But with the latest technique that I discovered, I think we can make it even better. And here's how we're going to do it. We got our beautiful sprayer, the ultimate new technique to make your barbecue even more flavorful, and of course, good chuck roasts. Oh, these things look so good and tasty. Time to start doing the prep work and get these ready for the barbecue. First order of business, tying up these chuck roasts to make them look better. A little bit of butcher's twine will do wonders for cuts like this. Now we're going to make a rub consisting of 1 part salt, 1/4 part garlic powder, 1 part onion powder, and 1 part ground black pepper. And if you want to add more black pepper, you definitely can. Let's get that rub on our chuck roast and make them look good. And when they're all dusted and done, it's time to fire up our smoker. Our chuck steaks are ready. Our smoker, beautiful Bernhard smoker, is getting up to temperature. We got some cherry wood pellets in, and there goes the first chuck roast. Man, these things already look amazing and they smell fantastic. Now I gotta make sure I get my temperatures right, so I'm gonna get my thermometer, stick it in. Now I know for sure that I'm not gonna be over or undercooking these beautiful chuck steaks. We're gonna let these go at a temperature of around 120 degrees Celsius until we need to start spraying. Developing the spray process and making the spray was a journey on itself, and now we've come to the second phase of it. First, we would have put water in here and just let the water drip through the filter and get our extraction from the barbecue rub. This will give us a great amount of flavor. Then we started adding more flavor to it by adding a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and that made it even better. But now, here is the 3.0 version of it. Even better, because the water dilutes the flavor, so it becomes less strong. And if you want to have strong flavors, you gotta go straight to the source. So, as usual, we're gonna put in our barbecue rub in the filter. That's gonna stay exactly the same. Yeah, that's about right. Close the filter. But now, instead of water, we're gonna put whiskey straight up into the machine.
Wait, I gotta drive home. I still gotta drive.
Yeah, but it'll be fine.
Yeah?
Yes. The drive's not that far. Then, of course, we gotta have some Worcester sauce. I don't think we're gonna be using this to make coffee anymore. And since we can, I wanna try some hot sauce this time, giving it a little bit of oomph to it. So now that we got all these crazy flavors right in the machine, we're gonna close it up. Then normally we would turn this on and would let it drip and get the extraction. But now I got something else. I'm going to cut up a lime, sorry. There we go. And of course we add a lime to it as well. Look, lemon. Dude, oh. But look at all the citrus fruits. This is the acidity that you would normally use. And this is going to be the extraction point. So the extract is going to go in here, then it's going to mix with these flavors. We build a flavor machine. Hit the on button and let the machine do its work. Magic. It always takes a while. You gotta wait for it. Oh, this is exactly what I'm looking for. We needed to have that smoke color onto our chuck roast. Wow. The outside's getting a little bit dry, so this is the perfect moment to start spraying. And with our intense flavor of our new spray, I'm expecting more and more results. I'm going to close the lid and I'm going to keep on spraying every 30 minutes or so until this bottle is empty or we hit that 92 degrees Celsius. Look at our chuck! We've got a crazy good looking bark and a beautiful smoke ring and a juicy piece of meat. And it's super tender, easy tear. Whoop! Let me tell you, the smell is really strong. Of course, the spray was so intense with so intense flavors. It's like, whoo! It kind of hits you. Wow. This is really good stuff. Want to know how it tastes? All right, here we go.
Let's try this. Oh, I can't choose. I'll go for this one.
Dude, who invited Jim?
Morrison did, right? I've got a memo from Eva.
I'm gonna start with a piece of the ass, the back end. Oh. What a crunch.
The bark has really nice crust. It's really sweet, but also salty, but also a little bit of that lemon. This is awesome.
How about me?
Jim is already eating.
Yeah? Oh, it's
I don't need two guys eating my food. See? Eva's also here. She also needs the food. See? I'm sorry. You know, we can't split it 4 ways. Just like split it 3 ways is max. It's only 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms. Maybe next time.
You said I had to share this with Eva, right? Do you want something?
Ooh. Yeah, take it.
She likes it too.
I think you made a friend. If you want to make this at home, then I think that's a great idea.
It's an awesome recipe.
It really is that mixture of whiskey and the lemon and lime and the Worcestershire sauce going through the rub. You really can taste it. It's like so intense in flavor, so powerful on the bark, so good. But he just was thinking one thing.
What was it?
It's kind of expensive to make a spray like that.
I think moonshine is cheap.
Now that you're here, Jim, do you know about that t-shirt that Morrison's supposed to make? Maybe you could make that t-shirt. See, let's see if Jim can do it. I'm afraid of getting attacked by the dog at this moment. Like, when she takes a step back,
Yeah.
I always think she's gonna jump.
She has the special moves now.
Yeah. Yeah, see, there we go. Don't do it. Quickly feed her so we can finish off the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. Big thank you to our patrons and the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling.
That's right. Dude, seriously, where's the other piece? I just gave you a piece.